Good morning. As an adult, we've been told that breakfast is eggs, oatmeal, cereal, pancakes, muffins, all these types of things. Well, it's 8, 9 o'clock in the morning, and I want sushi. So, I'm going to make crappie crab sushi. Yeah, for breakfast. Luxury of being an adult. So, let me show you what I'm going to do. First, here's going to be the ingredients. You got your bamboo roller, chopsticks, nori, that's the seaweed to roll it in. This is some crappie that I grilled up. This is some crab straight off of the crab, and real crab that has been grilled up a little bit. Red peppers, yellow peppers, golden orange peppers, pineapple, mango, green onions or scallions. Now, I don't cook with salt, so this is rice. But to season my rice, I use the juice from jalapenos. So, this is rice with jalapeno juice, gives it a crazy flavor. We're gonna put all this stuff together. I'm gonna roll this up. And we're gonna see what happens. So, first Daiya-san, you make big circle. And then you make wax on, wax off. Check it out. Alright, so you lay your rice down first onto your nori, right? Have you some water here so your hands don't get sticky and you can pick up your rice. Now, I cut my crappie. We're gonna throw that joker there. Bam! Throw that crappie there. Bam! This is mango. Throw me some mango up in there. Bam, bam. Throw me a little bit more mango up in there. Bam. This is pineapple. Bam! Bam, bam! Yeah. Throw that up in there. Now how I'm gonna roll this, it's gonna be quite interesting. There's a lot of stuff in here. This is really gonna get crazy. I think I better go here. It's gonna be bell pepper. We want some scallion. Ooh, this is gonna be a mofo to roll. Okay. Oh man, I ain't even put no crab in there. But I can eat it. Okay, so. Oh man, you gotta put some crab in there. We'll do that on the next one. Stay tuned. Alright, so here we go. We fold everything over. Gotta keep it tight. Alright. Moment of truth. Oh yeah, we're looking alright. Refold again. Squeeze it like a pig. Alright. Got that down in there. Now, that's how you know if you got your roll tight. On the ends of sushi, most sous chefs always cut the ends off. They call those the ugly pieces. Take your little water, throw down on your nori. This will make it like an envelope. Alright. Come back over, keep that tight, fold that down. Moment of truth. Dun, 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 dun. All right. I told you, Daiya-san. I told you. You make bigger circle. Wax on. Little circle. Wax off. All right. We're going to take this joker here. That's one. That's crappie. Moment, please. Let's go with this. Take your rice, put it down, and it's gonna get sticky. You want it sticky. Now, instead of using sushi rice, which is a short grain rice, I'm hard-headed. I like jasmine rice. I guess because Jasmine is a girl and sushi don't sound like a girl unless her name's Sushi. So, with me liking jasmine rice, I was not really supposed to make sushi with jasmine rice. But here's what I did. They would tell you not to refrigerate sushi rice. Don't refrigerate sushi rice. I use jasmine rice instead of sushi rice, and I put it in the refrigerator. It's not y'all's rice. And it worked out perfect because it came sticky. That's what you want. So, keep some of the starch on it. Throw that joke in the refrigerator. It came out perfect. The rolls are tight. Everything's good. It's sticking to my hand like crazy. That's what it's supposed to do. Don't forget, I have it drenched in jalapeno sauce. Now for this one, we're gonna do some crappie. And we're gonna do some crab. All right, pineapple. For some sweetness, mango for a little tartness. We're gonna do some orange pepper and red. You know I like red. All right, red. That's too thick. Thank you for coming in kitchen with sous chef Terry. Hey, thank you, son. Okay. So, dun, 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 dun. What else do I want in here? That's a real thick piece. I don't want that thick. Cool. All right. Moment of truth. Do I have crab down there? All right. Dun, 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 dun. Daniel-san, be careful, Daniel-san. This one is a lot bigger. You don't want to overstuff your roll, and I literally have, but it's my kitchen. I do what I want to do. You going in there whether you want to or not. And while it's still tight, follow that joker again. Throw the water down on your nori. Boom! You going in there. You just don't know it yet. Alright, so that end is loose. So we leave that extra tight there. Grab it again and put it on top of itself. Just in case you're wondering how in the world I wondered about sushi. I used to eat a lot of sushi. A lot of sushi. Like car note every month kind of sushi. And sometime last year, I got tired of spending money on going out. And I really started cooking a lot. So I said, what's the motto? I'll tell you at the end. This one is stuffed. We're gonna cut the ends off anyway. Now, the hardest part to this, you might think is this. The hardest part to this, you have to have a very sharp knife when you're really cutting sushi. Because you don't want to disrupt the roll. And I don't know how sharp my knives are right now. But there's a will, there's a way. Moment, please. So, I got that done. Now I'm gonna do something really different. When you go to a sushi restaurant, they normally take the sushi and they'll top it. So I got an extra piece of fish. I got a little extra piece of crab. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take all the, after I finish eating it, I'm finna mush it up. All right. Mush it up. Mush it up, Daniel-san. Daniel-san. Mush up, Daniel-san. 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 Tyson. Tyson. Mush. Now, you may be wondering, what on earth is this fool doing? Well, sushi restaurants, they do this same thing. You just don't see them doing it. All right, let me show you what you used to seeing. A little bit of this over here. You still don't know what this is. Because quite frankly, oops, I don't know what it is either. All right, some sriracha. Boom. Still don't know what this is, right? Me either. But I'm gonna figure it out as I keep going. See how that's looking right there? Huh? Like, what is he doing? What is he doing? What is he doing? Let me show you what he's doing. Alright? I spent a lot of money in sushi places. And I said there is nothing that you are doing taking my hundreds of dollars that I can't do myself. I just don't feel like doing it. Now, instead of a fork, I'm gonna reach in here, grab me a spoon. This is what you normally see at a sushi restaurant. They'll take this and they'll top the sushi. But they're using the stuffing that didn't fit inside of the sushi. Ha 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 ha. So, you got your crab, crappie, mango, pineapple, peppers, and these on the back. You got your crappie, pineapple, mango without the crab on these up here in the front. So the reason that I'm putting them on the front is because the front ones are without the crab. So I get crab in everything I get. Alright, so boom, that's what your toppings look like. And for a couple of these, ooh, that was too pretty to put something on top of. We'll put that one on top of that. And then we'll put this on top of that. This is the only video of its kind in a couple of different reasons. Number one, toward the end of this video, I stopped having to carry my phone or the camera. So it was the first time I had somebody hold the camera for me. Number two, I've never known of a person to make this concoction. And if they did do it, not like unlike you. So, here's what we got. This is what it is. And gosh almighty, that's gonna be good. So, here's the motto. What's the motto? You can eat like normal people, or you can feast like royalty. Cook your own food. Peace. Here we go. Let's make it happen. Let's get one of these. God almighty! God almighty! Man, oh my God. Mississippi, God almighty. God almighty, man. Mama, did you have sex with a Chinese man? There ain't no way I just made, oh my good, mama! Okay, man.